Dear students, today we will revise notice and you have event writing in your syllabus. Event based notice writing is in your syllabus. Okay, so we will be revising this. Clear? So first of all, write down the correct format of notice writing. Follow this format very carefully. Because for writing correct format, you are supposed to score 2 marks. So notice writing format should be correct. Okay. So first, what you will be writing? Name of the institution. Okay. Now what will be the second line? Notice. Okay. See, name of the institution and notice. Where should be written in capital letter. You have to write the name of the institution and notice in capital letter. And when you will be writing date, you are supposed to write down. My voice was clear. Online students, I forgot to wear mask. Forgot to wear a mic. So my voice was clear earlier. Nobody has sent me message. Bache, you are supposed to write down name of the institution and notice in capital letters. And when you will be writing date, in date you are not supposed to write down short forms and abbreviation. You will be writing full date. So you are supposed to write down full date. Then heading of the notice. Heading, or you can say caption.
की गल कीती करनी है
Ashmeed, keep yourself mute. So name of the institution, notice and heading. These three things should be in capital letter. And date should be written full. See, you are not allowed to use personal pronoun in notice that our school is organizing. Don't write down this thing. So here, when you will be writing content of your notice, your content should be of 50 words.
Yes, ma'am.
Your content should be of 50 words. Okay.
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
what details you are supposed to add in your notice? Write down all these details. You have to write down organizer, name of the event. It is very much compulsory to add all these details. Otherwise, your notice will be considered incomplete. So, name of organizer, name of event, on which occasion it is going to be conducted, occasion, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then date, time,
Venue.
venue.
in a separate
Stop.
Date, time and venue should be written in a single line, or you can draw a box for them. Okay. So date, time and venue. Okay. After that, you have to mention incentive. or in place of incentive you can write down prize or awards. Incentive, prize or awards. Okay, no, same lines, same box. Incentive, prize, award, all the things you have to write down. And whom to contact. Whom to contact. Incentive, prize, awards, whom to contact. So all these details are to be added nicely in this notice writing. Okay. Why available रहेगा? I will explain whole notice to you. Then I will be telling you grammatical problems also. Single, I am telling all these things to be added in notice. We will be framing one notice. I will be telling you how to write down the name of organizer, name of event, occasion, date, time, venue, incentive, prize, awards, whom to contact. Okay, last date, to give names. All these things are to be added. So at last, what you will be writing? At last, what you will be writing? Signature, name, and designation. Signature, name, and designation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So let's make one notice. After writing this format, keep all the points in your mind. So write down one notice. Have you written this format?
Yes.
If you want, you can score full marks 5 out of 5 in notice writing. If you want. Nahi katna. Who says? If you are writing correct, who will cut your marks? You have to follow all the guidelines. So write down, you are Nidhi. Write down, you are Nidhi, the president of Arts Club. The president of Arts Club of the Raizada International Academy. International Academy, Surat.
Yes, ma'am.
Your school is organizing a painting competition Your school is organizing a painting competition for the students of classes 6 to 8. Your school is organizing a painting competition for the students of classes 6 to 8 on the occasion of Children's Day. On the occasion of Children's Day. You get up and sit at the last desk. Go there. If you move in class, I will not spare you at all. Write a notice in about 50 words. Write a notice in about 50 words. Clear? So this thing, but academy, that is the name of a school. Academies are also school. Okay. So when such kind of questions are asked in your paper, you read the question very, very carefully. Okay. After that, pick up the points that you can't skip at all. Because I just tell you my experience, so many students, they commit that mistake. When we check their notebooks or when we check their papers, what do? In hurry, they write down their names or ABC because they have developed that habit. They don't copy that name which is given in the question, and for that marks are deducted. For format, but in writing skills also you can score full marks if you follow the guidelines which are discussed by teacher. So here, what is given? Nidhi, this name is given. So you are supposed to write down Nidhi at last. Designation is given. President of Arts Club. So you will be writing this designation. It means you pick up Nidhi word, you pick up President of Arts Club, this designation, and now don't write down your school name, follow this school name. And whenever school name is given, you are supposed to write down school name in capital letter. And it is also, this hint is also given that this painting competition is for classes 6 to 8. So when you read notice, you can mark these things like this. Name is given, designation is given, name of the school is given, classes are given. So I have to copy same one. If you will write down classes 7 to 8, cross. Copy these details which are given to you. Other details you can write on your own. Suppose you are Nidhi. Suppose your school is organizing. Clear? तुम निधि हो, मैं तुम्हें कहती हूँ suppose you are Harman, your school is organizing. उसका स्कूल ऑर्गेनाइज करा ना, हरमन वो है. तुम्हें मैंने क्या बोल दिया? You are. आगे समझ बात आ गई? Now let's start doing this notice. Stick them. So, what you'll be writing here first of all? Yes. Raizada You also write down in your notebook. And online students, I will ask you to show me your notebooks. Okay? You will show me your notebooks. Raizada International Surat. Clear? You are supposed to write down this thing in capital letters. Afterwards, what you will be writing? Notice. Notice also you are supposed to write down in capital letter. Then date. Date. So many students they write down like this. बहुत मैं तुम लोगों के वेज बताती हूँ सोचो which way you write down. Some write down this. Some write down ऐसे चलना मेरा हाथ. I will move my hand like this. Cross, cross, cross. So clear, this concept will be in your mind. How to write down date? When I will check your note, check your paper, now I will show you. I'm giving you lecture in class. I'm telling you the guidelines. Every time these guidelines are discussed, but still students they don't know how to write down a date. So how to write down 27 August 2021. So after that caption. What will be the title? Regarding. You will be writing regarding. You will be writing painting. Painting competition. So many students they write down our school is organizing. If you will be writing na our school, it means personal pronoun is used. Grammatically, marks will be deducted. I'm telling you side by side how we teachers check the notice. If we read our school, it means grammatically wrong. Cut marks. In notice writing, you are not supposed to use a personal pronoun. So here you will be writing the school. It means who is the organizer? Who is? I told you in keywords, na, that value point. You have to mention the name of the organizer. So who is organizing this activity? School. The school is organizing painting competition on the occasion of Children's Day. So first value point I have told you that it is compulsory to write down the name of the organizer. We have added. Then I told you to write down the name of occasion. What is the occasion? Then I told you date, time and venue should be mentioned. So if it is on Children's Day, it means it should be conducted on which date? Children's Day. So it will be, now try to make a line in which date, time and venue, all the things should be mentioned. It will be held on it will be held on 14th November. Here also full date 2021 at 10 a.m. in school hall. So here date is also mentioned, time is also mentioned, and venue, place is also mentioned. Okay, after that I have told you, you have to mention about, suppose any activity is there. I come here and I announce there is a painting competition, give your names. I go. But if I say students, there is a painting competition on the occasion of this, and attractive prizes will be given to top 3 contestants, or attractive prizes will be given to top 3 winners from each class. So you will be attractive towards or not? When incentives will be given, everybody will be feeling attractive. So here what will be writing? Top 3 contestant will be given attractive prizes. Top 3 contestant will be given attractive prizes. Okay. Now you have to mention this thing also, when the name are to be given, up to which date. Now activity is going to be conducted on 14th November. कब तक names दे दोगे? 16 तक. तुम्हारी क्लास हो तो 16 तक ही देगी. So interested students can give their names latest by 5th November किसको देने हैं? To the undersigned. Interested students can give their names latest by 5th November 2021. And one thing more I want to tell you. This mistake I always find in your papers. Suppose you don't want to write down undersigned. You want to write down to the respective teacher. It means 6th A students will give to 6th A class teacher. 6th B will give to 6th B. 8th A will give to 8th A, and so on. For that, what word is used? To their respective class in charge. यहाँ पे बच्चे पता क्या लिखते हैं? To their respected class in charge. Here you are supposed to write down word respective. That अब यहाँ पे undersigned की जगह you can also write down respective. यहाँ पे इतनी respect देने की जरूरत नहीं है teachers को. वो आपके मन में है, we know. बहुत respect करते हो, बहुत अच्छे से respect करते हो, we know. Yes, ma'am. But here don't give us so much respective. Write down respective. That interested students can give their names latest by 5th November 2021 to their respective class in charges. Now their word will, Lavish ने blackboard पे देखना ही नहीं. Their, THEIR. To their, THEIR. To their respective class in charge. हाँ तो अपने क्लास टीचर्स को दो. It is a pronoun. So you can write an undersigned here or to the respective class. Personal pronoun are told. Personal. First person. Okay, or it's better that you write down, give their names latest by 5th November to the undersigned.
6 to 8.
Painting competition on the occasion of Children's Day for class. यहाँ मैं mention कर लो. For classes 6 to 8. Clear? Then at last we'll be writing name of the sender, designation, and before that you will put signature also. Nidhi,
President of Arts Club.
Nidhi,
President of Arts Club.
President of
Arts Club.
Arts.
Sign the pen.
I have put signature in the beginning. First signature, then name, then designation. Clear, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
So do this notice carefully. Afterwards, I will ask online students to show me their notebooks. And offline also show me your notebook one by one. Show me full notice. I will draw a box for you. Give to me. It means you can talk. You have got a right to talk. Look behind and talk. Today I am going to complain about you. You are not serious in my class. You all have written offline. That's good. Now online students, show me your notebooks on screen. Online students, show me your notebooks on screen. Okay. Simarpreet, very good. Keep silence. Okay, बच्चे. Simarpreet, Jasmine, good. Now those who have done, write down next question. Write down next question for practice. As Anupreet Arya. Yes, Anjali, Jasmine, good. As Anupreet Arya, the school captain. As Anupreet Arya, the school captain of Lovedale School. As Anupreet Arya of Lovedale School. Of Spring Public School. As Anupreet Arya, the school captain of Spring Day Public School. Draft a notice. Draft a notice in about 50 words. Draft a notice. Draft a notice in about 50 words for the students of. Draft a notice in about 50 words for the students of. For the students of 6 to 8 classes. Draft a notice in about 50 words for the students of 6 to 8 classes, inviting them to participate. Inviting them to participate in a declamation contest. I don't know why are they talking in between. I just don't know. Inviting them to participate in a declamation contest. Invent details like date, time, venue. Invent details like date, time, venue, topics, topics, comma, time limit, etc. Date, time, venue, topics, time limit, etc. Start framing this notice. Don't interrupt in between. Start framing this notice. It is for your practice, and if you want, good students can do within 2-3 minutes. Start framing. Don't waste your time. And online, हाँ? छोड़ दो. Leave it.
अभी कुछ जगह सुनने को
Huh? But school name will be given to you. So, बच्चे, do this practice at home.